Water damage happens fast in the event of a storm or serious leak. Remain calm, think quickly, and you will have done your part to preserve your living or working space. Aside from contacting our team for prompt assistance, you can do a couple of things to limit the damage. These small fixes can prevent a water damage situation from getting worse. Disconnect power sources near the water pooling in the building. Block off hazardous areas to foot traffic. Shut off the AC unit and crank all windows open for more ventilation. Remove rugs, carpets, and cushions to a dry spot to air out. Remove items from walls, floors, and furniture surfaces. Your family's belongings can sustain damage when the restoration team arrives. Use old towels or a mop to get extra moisture off the floor. Dry furniture with a towel. Use plastic or vinyl to protect furniture legs from wet floors.